Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to use and create a Google form. Let's follow these simple steps. First, open Google Search and search for Google Forms. Now, click on the official Google Forms website. Here, you will see a list of pre-designed form templates. On this page, click on Blank Form. Now, enter a title for your form. Next, click the plus icon to add a new question to your form. Choose the question type. Here, I am selecting Short Answer. Now, type your question or title here. Again, click the plus icon to add another question to the form. Enter the title for this question. You can change the question type at any time. For example, you can switch from multiple choice to short answer, as I have done here. Repeat this process as many times as needed according to your requirements. Your form is now complete, as you can see here. Click the Preview button to see how your form will look to users. You can check all submitted responses by opening the Responses tab. You can also export the responses to an Excel file. That's how easy it is to create and use Google Forms. Thanks for watching.